Hey, Life in the Mountain family, we are outside. We are about to transform this space, which is our 12 by 16 gazebo. Y'all, you know summer is around the corner. It's a beautiful day. You see, we got pollen. I don't know if you see the floor. We've got all these wild leaves and it's just nasty under here. So we just wanted you all to take a look before. Stick with us as we transform this space to where we can have some fun times by the pool. Stay tuned, family. So the first thing we had to do with this space, of course, is get everything from underneath the gazebo so that we could get ready to pressure wash the area. So here you see us taking all the items from under the gazebo, getting it ready. We had to get the outdoor curtains out of the way so that they wouldn't get in the way while we were doing this pressure wash. There's one point my husband takes the blower because birds trying to make nests. They just trying to make a house out of there. But no, y'all got to go, birdies. You got to go. Y'all, this is a close-up of the patio. Look at that. Ugh. Pollen, grass, bugs, you name it, it's all out there. So I wanted to give you kind of like a close-up look to see what it looks like before we get this thing back to shining, looking good, getting ready for summer. Y'all, look, nasty. And what is that leaves that on there? We've been trying to figure that out. My husband's pressure washing the rug first. I don't know what I'm doing. I guess I'm dusting because y'all, I was kind of in the way a little bit, but you know. But this is up close. You see with the pressure washer. I don't know if y'all see the difference, but I see the difference. Pressure washers are the beast. Check it out. So I can see the difference in that. Then he came out with his 15-inch surface cleaner. And I know y'all see the difference in that. It's still hard to get up whatever that is that came from the trees. We don't know what that is, but it is cleaning that surface. He likes his little gadgets. We decided to go ahead and just clean the entire patio area. So we did take the rug and put it on the fence so it would dry. And y'all see me clearing my little chandelier I got from Big Lots. I wanted everything nice and shiny. Now, once we got this area cleaned out, you see he was going extra. He doing the whole patio deck. This is a gazebo, man. But on the sides, I'm doing some wiping down as he continues to clean the patio deck and pressure wash the sides. And I'm just being the supervisor, y'all. I'm having back issues, so I really appreciate my hubby stepping in and helping me with this project. Now, when he does all this cleaning and we spray it out, I don't know about y'all, but mosquitoes are pretty bad where we are. And we do like to treat the area. So I usually go to a local hardware store and find one that attaches to the hose. And I spray not just the patio area, but I do our entire yard because when mosquitoes bite me, y'all, I swell up so bad. So I usually like to do that part of it. So you might see me take the wand in a little bit. And while, you know, this deck is cleared out, I went ahead and treated that area with the mosquito guard, or it's really a solution that we use. I decided to step up on the ladder, go ahead and clean that chandelier. It's a battery operated one too, so we don't have electrical running up there. We did it one time, but it's not about that. And I wanted to feel special, so I did grab the blower so that I could feel like I was doing something. But here's me treating it with the solution and getting it ready so that we can bring our patio furniture back in. So we put the rug back in, we brought the fire table back in, and I'm doing my last minute cleanup, Windex and all that good stuff. This is a fire table. And I continued to treat the area, and then we started bringing in the furniture. So I decided to go with beige cushions, and honestly, these are the cushions that came with the set last year, but I wanted blue cushions, so what I did was I just purchased a set from Walmart last year. So this was convenient. We kept them in our storage building, and I'm just going to put these cushions out and accent them. The beige kind of offsets the gazebo. I think it's fine, y'all. Sometimes you can match too much, but I just wanted to change it up a little bit. I want this to have like a cozy lounge kind of feel. Y'all gonna have to let me know if I achieved that. But I'm gonna put these beige cushions on there for the actual seat and for the back. So here you see me just taking them out the plastic and making sure that each one of my chairs have the cushions in them. So now that I finally put all the cushions in, y'all, and you see the tags, girl, I'm trying to be a perfectionist. But making sure all the cushions are in, voila, looks nice, right? I know, but we're not done. So let's add some color. We got these blue lumbar pillows. I want to make sure each chair has one. And they actually add a good support on the back. I started to go with the square pillows, but I thought it was just too bulky this time around. Last year we did have square, but I went with the blue lumbar. It probably helped my back, but I decided to take a seat, y'all. I was just being extra that day. Look at me. All right, but yeah, let me know if you like the blue. I see they're gonna be sliding down, but we'll be all right. So we gotta add some more accessories, y'all. You know you gotta accessorize. So we're gonna put down some placemats. It's gonna be a 4 setting placemat. And for the setting, I decided to go with not only the placemats, but a table, not a table, but actual plates. And I wanted to do napkins and I wanted to do cups. So again, all these finds are from either Hobby Lobby or Big Lots. So once I got the place setting up, I was like, okay, we need a little bit more for some visual contrast. And I'm just being a perfectionist right here, y'all. But I did want to add a platter to it so that it looks like, you know, we have serving area for when my guests are out here seating, or sitting, I should say. So here's a nice look at the actual place settings. So coming in with the platter, of course you can't just have a plain platter. I wanted to add fruit. And I did want to add like real fruit, but y'all, flies, bugs, I just went ahead on with this fake stuff. It's gonna be alright, right? I just can't be sitting out there with them flies coming around my fruit. Now, of course, if I have guests out here, I'll bring some real fruit, but look at me fumbling with the apple. But yeah, just some grapes, an orange and an apple. And I added a banana too. I thought it gave it some nice color contrast. And look cute to me. What y'all think? So I wanted to add napkins to the place setting. And y'all, these are not even real napkins. They're bandanas, 49 cents each. So I saved tremendously. All I did was some kind of rolled them, folded them, and then added the napkin ring to each one. But I think I saved on this. So this is our little secret. Don't y'all be going out there putting my business in the street. I think I like this, y'all. What you think? I think the yellow gives it a nice pop of color, and then with the fruit sitting out there, I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So I did get some cups to go with it. Everything we're using out here is plastic because we do have a pool. Want to keep it safe. So we got these small tumblers, putting them out. They'll be nice for my guests to be able to have a nice refreshing drink as they're sitting by the pool. And I think I'm gonna call this the lounge, y'all. It's feeling loungy to me. So I just added these tumblers to each one of the place settings. So the final touch for me is adding the lemon lime infused water so that we have some refreshing drinks that we could drink while we're sitting by the pool. And that just came together so nice. I went with a clear. Well, I started to go with blue, but I really want the lemon and the lime to show. And I also added a planter to the end of the fire table to kind of give a little, I don't know, a little pizzazz down on that end. It was feeling neglected, so it was just a little white flower pot with a little gold bottom. And to top it all off, every drink needed a lime to accent the cup, so I added a lime. Now I did use real lime here, y'all. You know I didn't go no fake lime, but these are real limes I did decide to add to the glasses, just for decorative purpose right now, but I think it gave it a nice little touch. So it's time to get these curtains, y'all. I've had these curtains for a while. The sun has beat down on them, but I am not replacing them this season. So they're gonna have to do what they do. So I'm taking them down, kind of shaking them out, getting them ready. The inside still look really, really blue, but on the outside where the sun's beat on them, you can see where it's faded some. But I'm okay with that. Now in the front, I just decided to use the tie backs. I didn't in the back. Kind of wanted to have that cozy feel. We didn't in this video, but my husband came up with a great idea. He stapled the top of the curtains in the back so that they would not move. So as you see other videos and you see that they're not flowing, it's because we did staple them to the top of the gazebo and to the side. So they just naturally hang in the back. And I really love that. It looks really good. Seemed like I was struggling with those tie backs, just trying to make sure that it's secured and tight. This is a rope. These are actually 2 tie backs put together because the column is so wide on this gazebo. So I'm just trying to be a perfectionist, y'all, and make sure that it's got the same drip on each side. So I had to get Mr. Muscles to come on, y'all, and help me. That planter is heavy, but it was a steal at Hobby Lobby. Y'all don't sleep on the clearance section over there. I'm trying to tell you. So that plant started out there. You'll see later on in the video where I did move it to the center of the fence. And I'm always picking. He can put something somewhere and I'm gonna move it. He always picks at me about that. So I wanted to slide it over a little bit, and I realized I don't have no strength, y'all. And then I decided, oh, you know, maybe I should drape them back. Maybe that would look nice. So that's just me going in my mind, should I not? So I also got this ladder, and it's like 2 large bulbs, and it lights up battery operated, and I wanted to put some additional lighting. Sometimes it's a little dark back there at night, so I just wanted an additional lighting to be a focal point on the side and make it sure we have a clear path when we're walking over that area. So look at this, y'all. This is my gazebo redo, my plant, reused curtains, my beige cushions, and the blue accent. That's also the chandelier that I purchased last year. It is also battery operated. I probably mentioned that already. But here's the final look. What do you think? Did I do it? Is it clean? What you think? I love it. I love the way it came together. So here's the night vision. I had to show you the night because we had to light up the fire pit, turn on the lights. I love it. Is that not a cozy lounge? Don't you want to just come hang out with me? Look, y'all, I love it. Please let me know below if you like it. If there's anything you would have done different. Remember, it's my space, so I probably won't change it, but I love it. So family, I hope that you enjoyed this patio refresh. Please be sure to like, subscribe, and be notified for future videos. Our hope for this channel is that it inspires, empowers, entertains, and keeps you informed. Be blessed, family.